aka gets told to sit down over Joburg water crisis comments. As Johannesburg Water works to repair the biggest leak in its history, rapper AKA has taken to social media to question whether people's response to the water shortages would have been different if the ANC was still in power in the city. Taking to Twitter, AKA posted a picture of a bottle of water he had bought and claimed the best thing about the shortage was that people could not blame the ANC. Went to Woolies, Woolworths, in Bryanston today. Water sold out? Can you imagine what these TLs, timelines, would have looked like if we still ran JHB? They must be livid. The awesome thing about this water crisis in the north is that for the first time they can blame the ANC, he wrote. AKA has never been shy to talk about politics on Twitter before, but his followers were not impressed by his decision to speak out on the matter and told him to sit down.